Hi, my name is Derek, and in this video, I'm going to show you my affiliate funnel that I use in System.io for the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. All right, the best part is I'm going to go ahead and share this funnel with you using a share code. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below this video, okay? So let's go jump in my computer and let me show you my funnel. All right, guys, we are in my computer and we are logged into my System.io account. And we are looking at my funnels. So this funnel right here is going to be the funnel I'm going to be giving you guys. I'm going to be sharing it with you using the share code, and I'll go ahead and put the link to the share code in the description below this video. If you look here on the left-hand side, there's a lot of steps in this funnel, and it's okay because if you don't have a System.io account, you can sign up for their free plan, and on their free plan, they allow you up to 15 funnel steps, and I think this is only 11, so we're good. All right, so you can get on their free plan and use this funnel to promote Legendary Marketer. Okay, so normally when you sign up, they want you using ClickFunnels and they want you using Aweber, and I believe there's a significant cost with at least ClickFunnels, and maybe even when you upgrade to Aweber. But System.io's free plan will allow you to promote Legendary Marketer on their free plan. So anyway, let me go ahead and show you this landing page that you guys are going to get. This is the first step funnel here on the top left. And when I click on View Step Funnel, this is going to be the page that you can use basically as a squeeze page or a landing page that you can drive traffic to, right, in order to build your email list. I got this, I'm not exactly sure where I got this from. I believe it might have been from my mentor, and it's clean, it's condensed, it works, all right, and it's very simple to use, very simple to understand, and I like this landing page just the way it is. So I think this is going to work very well for you guys. After you import this funnel into your System.io account, all you're going to do is hit edit page over on the right hand side, and this is where you can edit the page. So let's just say if you wanted to get rid of this up here, you can just hit the delete button, hit the trash button here. If you want to change the words in here, you can change the size, the font size over here. You can increase or decrease the font size. You can change this wording, increase or decrease the font size. You can add words. Even down here, you can increase or decrease the size of this, add or change these words, delete them if you don't want them. You can change your image. Just click on the image here, and up on the top left, it says image file. You're going to go ahead and click that icon here, and it'll ask you to upload a picture from your computer, from your desktop, and you can add a picture of yourself, okay? And just hit Save Changes. Moving down the list on the funnel here, this is basically the bridge page. This is a really good page as well because this does a really good job warming up your lead or your audience, anybody who's started on this page and is now on the bridge page, and they can watch this video of people that have gone through the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. There's a couple more videos down here. And it really does a good job kind of setting the stage and warming up your leads. And this is especially good for someone who doesn't want to get on camera and doesn't want to make a bridge page with a video of themselves, right? They can use this. That's why this is great for beginners. And you can put a little bit of, information here about yourself if you want. It's already got your the legal stuff here at the bottom. I would just leave this alone for the time being. And one thing I got to show you here on these pages, I have my affiliate link on 3 of these links. All right, so the first one's right here. All right, so if they click this button and they head over to Legendary Marketer, that'll be my affiliate link. You have the start button here, and then there's this start button on the bottom. So what you're going to do once you import this funnel, all right, you're going to click on this step, and then you're going to head over to the right and click on Edit Page. And if you want to go ahead and edit at the very minimum, put your affiliate link in here. Just click that twice. You double click it, and you'll put your affiliate link right here. And then on this start button, click on that. And then it's over here on the left-hand side. This start now button at the bottom, do the same thing. Just click that button and then go ahead and put your affiliate link here on the left-hand side. Okay, you can leave this stuff here at the bottom. The FTC likes to see that, you know, and of course, Legendary Marketer, they want to keep everything nice and clean. Make sure that you have your, you know, your income disclaimer and terms of service, all that good stuff on every page that has their name all over it or promoting their products. All right, so that's the bridge page. Now, I've made my own bridge page, and it's going to be the third step down here. I'll show it to you. So I'm basically driving people to a Facebook group. That's what you see here. And I just got a link to my Facebook group. You know, you don't have to do this step if you don't want. Again, a lot of people don't like, you know, getting on camera. So if you want, you can go ahead and you can basically use this page with a video of yourself, you know, just literally just driving people right into Legendary Marketer's 15-day business builder challenge sales page. So instead of driving them to the Facebook group, just put your affiliate link down here. Again, it's the same process with this one. You're going to go ahead and if once this step is selected, you're going to click on edit page down here or on the right-hand side, and then just put your affiliate link right there. Okay. So there's a couple other steps in here that I think you guys will find very useful. I have a link in bio that you guys will really like. I have a privacy policy in here, terms of service, terms and conditions, sorry, and then an income disclaimer page, and then another link in bio. So this is all going to come in helpful, especially when you're just getting started. All right, so you know you're going to have rather than you know your the privacy policy and income disclaimer, rather than having it linked to my page, you're going to put this on your domain. So once you import it and you get a domain, you're going to go ahead and put this funnel on your domain, right? And then technically you got a business. You can go ahead and drive traffic legally to all your pages. There won't be any problems. Again, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and income disclaimer. All right, so you guys can have this. I'm happy to share this with everyone. I think this is really going to help out, and I do appreciate you watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.